Assalamu alaikum. So yes, Gems of Light is zakat eligible, and this is based off the segment in the ayah where it mentions that fi sabilillah is also part of those that are zakat eligible, in where fi sabilillah to mean whether we're talking about designated for jihad or designated for giving ilm or designated for areas to probably support the new Muslims, etc. So all of that is actually zakat eligible. Now it's important to mention that this is supported and also mentioned by a number of different great scholars, and part of them, the modern scholars, contemporary ones, is Ibn Jibreen. He did actually mention that, because especially during our times in the West, of course, we don't have a waqf, or at least an area that is responsible for the financial assistance or the financial sponsorship for Islamic teachings, or even the areas that are designated for the community for preserving their Islam. So in that situation, this would be in placement to preserve Islam within the community, to support the Islam that is necessary in order to enhance the Muslim identity. Yet, I would say, look into the country that you're in. If you are in countries that are going through famine or probably going through war or etc., definitely their life actually comes in as a priority more than anything. So you want to keep that in consideration of what goes first, because remember, you've got the five main legal maxims: the preservation of deen, the preservation of nafs, and the preservation of aql. So Gems of Light acts as the area, the preservation of aql, in where the preservation of nafs actually comes in prior. So if your country, and if you have relatives that are facing war or probably facing hunger, they definitely come in first. So do take that in consideration in looking into the context that you are in order to put the money in where it is needed most. Again, where it is needed most. Assalamu alaikum.